Tini sung atisa jemo thawa tongmani student organization IPF tini kaisa allied organization banner tolawo tongmani sung tini hai salo sung sabai rekha sini oro buskango joto central committee member tongo working president SGS dai committee central committee thanayo sung committee hoite sung kaisa meeting like sini student organization hoite central committee meeting I executive committee was decision like joto entire 21 divisions tai central committee joto existence tongnai rok arono sidanto na like buskang ni movement tai Tipraland no bahke tugnani ba greater Tipraland no bahke acquire khainani abuno toine sing alojona khlaimani bisingo sing abuno nukha Maharaja ni leadership ni bisingtei sing abo sobo mona tongo abuni bagainai sing dini ni simi sing artisanal resolve kainai sebagai sing ketan motha ba Tripura motha sing join sinai tai kebang motha rongno ba angko pobuna musungo cikon tongnai rongno sing under bobagrani bising tike sing thansani bising tike maidomo sing agirogo sing saimalia baksa borok bujilia umi tongmano aborongno taisa wan sugine sing greater thansa ni bagai greater interest di prasani bagai joton abo goi phake saw abuno ani musungno tabo abo simia sini thinang ni sini bobishot no sumna si thangkang kai sing kunu jaga tipano sing poton hojangna ni motok grei sini boba grano kare boba granka kaisa hani boba gra kaisa thinang ni bagai sini tiprasani bagai kaisa leadership hero bo khlai kyang ka se musa kaisa sep sung mane abuno sung bisas khainai sung artisaro amu kai dene o salo sung IPF de Tripura mo thani sung join khai pa asung
acha nok to
already sung sini meeting of decision naka IPF tini bisingo bo sung saklai jak tongo sini bisingo kok tongo abono no sung salainai sung sidanto khlainai sung phaiche. That is not accurate, but in some constant there is the truth behind it. But the thing is, the IPFT worked tirelessly for the liberation of Tipraland for 11 years. We appreciate on that deals that they have done. But on occasions of 11 years, we have seen few movements only organized by IPFT. That due to lack of the movement, that the demand is rises, and after that, the Tiprasa in where or in which place we to settle. On that occasion, we observe that is a curiously observed and viewpoint that we need a greater movement for the greater interest for any upliftment of our Tiprasa. We need the movement that need to secure so early. So IPFT can fix out their target, and they have come upon on 2018 as a part of the government. Due to that they delay, or might be they forget the movement. Due to that we just left them.
So your comment has Tipraland.
Now, of course, that every one of the Tiprasa people they know this. The IPFT demand has becoming declining day by day, and due to that, we compelled to join to another organization so that we need to upgrade more movement for the betterment of the Tiprasa and for the liberation of greater Tipraland or greater Tipraland as well.
how are you looking forward to work with Tripura Motha?
Pardon?
How are you looking forward to work with your team with Tripura Motha now?
I also, under the banner of the Bobagra, we hope so there will be a unique and there will be a sensational in viewpoint further in future also. And we hope that under his leadership will surely get our demands into positivity. Kuno orang आरो स्टूडेंट ना तोना ऑर्गेनाइजेशन दा तो आगयु तो दा तोना आबो सुनकुनो साइमिया को सिने आइडियोलॉजी सिने बोबाग्रानो ऑल राउंड जों सरेंडर खायका जे जागो सुनो बो तामु खायनानि गुसुम आपनो गुबुन थानिया फरेनाय बयु तो दा रह बा स्टूडेंट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन दा रह तबो खाय जों कायसा कुनो कायसा कमिटि खायपानो जों कायसा ग्रेटर मुभमेन्ट थांनानै बासिनि जे टारगेट जों थानानै बगैनाय जों आपनो नहरै जों जॉइन खायो
आस्ता काय सङा माना ने कुनो सङो मना पुरे आमाय बे वन छक ना बोमाय वन छक को दिनि बो आग्रान खान्थाव
दिनै आइपिएफटी जत बरं न साइमानो जोंना मुसलमानि फक्स आइपिएफटी नो नासिबि जत बरं न फायका खानसाके याबा खानसाने बर' जों बुबाग्रा रेसपन्स फायका जत बरं न एसेम्बल फायका याबा आइपिएफटी दुर्भाग्य मुङै खानसाङै मालिया आरो जोंलाय नखा कुद्रुम मुद्रुम खा मो बीजेपी बाय तङै जों डिफरेंट मानायदा आबोसिनि बुखाबो कन्फ्यूजन खा नाथाय जुदि जों सरकाराव तङै जुदि न माहाके तंना आंखाय जोंनि डिमान्ड जों सुकुमाय रहमानि न साको आंखाय जेहेतु सिन हाबुबाग्रा दङ बनिजि आगि बो ओ डिमान्ड हामजगे ताबो आ डिमान्ड जत डिप्रेसरावनो नायसिगिनाय बो आबनो राइस खायका डिप्रेसर हामग्रायनो बगैनाय का जों आबनो नायसिगिनाय बिनि बिसिंतिके जों जॉइन खायका आंखा बन खायमाना हायमाव सुबैनाय जों बन जॉइन
आइपिएफ तो आमाय सांग जुदि खायथोगा थिनाङा आइपिएफ तो तंना बोहाय वन छक मने
आबो बंनि मेम्बार आइपिएफटी पार्टी ने आबो जों सायाव यो बरनि आइडियोलॉजी बर आलादा बर वान सुनाय बर स्ट्रेटेजी बर आलादा पार्टी